how to disable automatic downloads on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable automatic downloads on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then go to the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this one, browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find block automatic downloads. If you want to disable automatic downloads, just turn this one on, and as you see, block automatic downloads have been turned on. Now go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.